present energy scenario and solar energy as an alternative option. Solar energy offers a clean, renewable alternative to fossil fuels, which are running low and pollute the environment. As global energy demand grows, solar energy stands out for being sustainable and reducing harmful emissions. Among solar thermal technologies used for heating water and spaces, two common types are flat plate collectors, FPCs, and evacuated tube collectors, ETCs. Both capture sunlight to generate heat but differ in design and performance. This study compares FPCs and ETCs to see which performs better. The key finding is that ETCs generally deliver higher thermal efficiency because they are better insulated and can retain heat more effectively. This makes ETCs especially useful in colder climates or on cloudy days with diffused sunlight, where FPCs lose more heat. ETCs also achieve higher temperatures, which is important for industrial applications requiring more intense heat. ETCs' superior performance throughout different weather conditions means they can provide reliable, year-round solar heating. As a result, ETCs are becoming increasingly popular globally, particularly in regions aiming to replace fossil fuel-based heating with cleaner options. Using solar thermal systems like ETCs helps reduce reliance on fossil fuels, lowers carbon emissions, and supports energy security by tapping into an abundant, free energy source, the sun. In summary, solar energy is an effective, eco-friendly solution to meet rising energy needs. Among solar thermal collectors, evacuated tube collectors offer distinct advantages over flat plate collectors for most heating applications, making them a compelling choice for sustainable energy systems now and in the future. Introduction. Energy is essential for modern life, driving economic growth, technological progress, and improving living standards. Since the global energy crisis of the 1970s, making sure energy is available, affordable, and environmentally friendly has become a major focus worldwide. This is especially true for developing countries like India, where rapidly growing populations, increasing industries, and expanding cities are causing a huge rise in energy demand. Currently, much of the world relies heavily on fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas to meet this demand. These sources provide over 70% of the global energy supply. However, fossil fuels are limited resources that will eventually run out. Their extraction and use also cause serious environmental problems like air pollution, climate change, and harm to ecosystems. To address these challenges, experts emphasize the need for renewable and decentralized energy systems, especially in semi-urban and rural areas where the power grid can be unreliable or overloaded. Renewable sources such as solar, wind, and biomass offer clean, sustainable alternatives that can reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Installing local renewable energy systems can also improve energy access and reliability by easing pressure on centralized power grids. In summary, as energy demand continues to grow globally and in countries like India, there is an urgent need to shift towards more sustainable solutions. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels by embracing renewable energy technologies helps protect the environment, supports energy security, and ensures a better future for all. Renewable energy is not just a smart choice, it is essential for long-term economic and environmental well-being. Conclusion. Solar energy is an important clean and endless source of power that can help reduce pollution and save money in the long run. Two common ways to capture heat from the sun are flat plate collectors, FPCs, and evacuated tube collectors, ETCs. FPCs are less expensive and work well in mild weather, making them a good choice for many homes. ETCs, on the other hand, are better at keeping heat even in cold or changing weather because of their special vacuum insulation and coatings. This means ETCs are more efficient, can reach higher temperatures, and usually last longer. However, the best choice depends on the local climate, budget, and how the system will be used. Advances in materials and technology are making both systems better. Using these solar heating methods wisely can help industries and communities save energy, lower emissions, and move toward a greener, more sustainable future. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.